Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making this adorable bear coaster, perfect for adding a cute and cozy touch to your home. This coaster is great for protecting your table from hot drinks, and it also makes a lovely handmade gift. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crocheter, this project is fun and easy to follow. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more creative crochet ideas. Now, let's get started. Start with a magic ring. If you're not comfortable with the magic ring, you can chain 3 and slip stitch to form a small loop. Now, make 10 half double crochets HDC inside the ring. Pull the tail to tighten the ring and join with a slip stitch to the first HDC. Great job! This forms the base of our coaster. For round 2, we're increasing in every stitch. That means we'll work 2 half double crochets in each stitch around. By the end of this round, you should have 20 stitches. This helps to expand our coaster evenly. Don't forget to join with a slip stitch to finish the round. Keep going, you're doing great. Now we'll continue increasing, but this time we'll alternate. Work 1 half double crochet in the first stitch, then 2 half double crochets in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern around the circle. We're 1 HDC, HDC ink, X10. At the end of this round, you should have 30 stitches. Keep your tension even to ensure a nice, flat shape. Looking great so far. For round 4, we continue the increase pattern. This time, we'll work 1 HDC in the first 2 stitches, then increase in the 3rd stitch. Repeat this around, HDC, 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 in C. X15 by the end, we should have 45 stitches. This completes the circular base of our coaster. If your circle is slightly wavy, don't worry. It will flatten out after a few more rounds or blocking. Great job! Now that we have a perfect circle, it's time to add the bear's ears to make it even cuter. To start the first ear, chain 1 and skip the first stitch. Now, in the next 2 stitches, work 2 DC ink in each. This means you'll make 4 double crochets in total across these 2 stitches. Next, work 9 slip stitches across to move to the other side of the head. Now, repeat the same ear pattern. DC ink in the next 2 stitches. Continue with slip stitches to finish off the round. And there you have it. Your bear coaster is almost done. To complete your coaster, cut the yarn, leaving a small tail. Use a yarn needle to weave in the ends neatly. If needed, gently block your coaster to ensure it lays flat. And that's it. You've made an adorable bear coaster. Congratulations! You've completed your crochet bear coaster. This little project is great for beginners and makes a perfect gift or decor piece. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fun crochet projects. Let me know in the comments what crochet tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching and happy crocheting!